Hi guys, welcome to Cook with Susie. Today we'll be making honey glazed chicken. Ingredients: half a chicken breast slice, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic, half a cup oil for frying, 1.5 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoon oil, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoon tomato sauce, 2 teaspoon sweet chili sauce, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 2 tablespoons honey and 1 teaspoon soy sauce. First, we will marinate the chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper and mix it well. Then, you will set it aside till it marinates for 10 minutes. Once the chicken is marinated, sprinkle or dust some corn flour on top and mix it again. Then you will set it aside again for 5 minutes till it absorbs the moisture. Now you will coat your chicken slices with corn flour thoroughly and leave it aside for another 5 minutes till your oil is heated. On medium heat, add your half a cup of oil into a frying pan and let it rise in temperature. When your oil is ready, you can deep fry the chicken until it's golden brown and drain it on a paper towel so that the oil will be absorbed. Now we can move on to your honey glazed sauce. On a low fire, add 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of garlic, your apple cider vinegar, soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, tomato sauce, sweet chili sauce and honey. Now let your mixture simmer. Once your sauce has begun to simmer, add the chili powder and chili flakes, then switch off the fire. While the sauce is still hot, add your chicken and mix it well to make sure that the chicken is thoroughly coated by your sauce. A small tip is to eat your chicken hot as it is crunchier and tastier. Finally, garnish with chopped spring onion leaves.